Embarking on a career as a solar installer isn't just an opportunity. It's a gateway to a profession that benefits individuals and communities alike. With the growing demand for clean energy, the need for skilled solar photovoltaic installers is skyrocketing. In fact, it's one of the fastest growing occupations in Colorado, with an impressive 34% growth projected.
There's solar companies all over the state of Colorado and all over the country who are hiring right now.
Moreover, certified installers unlock a realm of advancement within the solar industry.
There are a lot of different career paths that people can take in solar. It can be anything from a technician that is installing solar panels on a roof to a designer that is using AutoCAD on a computer to generate plans, maintenance technicians, inspection technicians, managers who deal with local building departments and electrical inspectors.
Pueblo Community College's PV Solar Installer Certificate Program equips students with fundamental knowledge of solar electric systems. They gain invaluable hands-on experience in installation, inspection, testing, and system commissioning, essential elements to successfully passing the National Solar Certification Exam.
The North American Board of Certified Energy Practitioners. It is the only solar certification program in the United States. Having that credential, which they can get right here at Pueblo Community College, that sets them up for a career in solar and higher starting pay, even if they are entry level, because that way their employer knows that they know the basics of what they're doing.
Plus, a career in the solar industry provides an abundance of workplace diversity. From working indoors crafting system plans to executing installations across residential, commercial, and industrial settings. It's about empowering individuals to save on energy cost while positively impacting the planet. The industry offers competitive salaries, often surpassing other fields, and with increased experience comes higher pay. Learn more about PCC's Solar Technician Program at pueblocc.edu.